today, and I was walking around. It's one of my most favorite things to do, and I was really appreciating the male libido. And I know it's like a thing in New York, and I think you see it more here, but I think it's also just like part of the culture. And there's no, like there was no cat calls, but you feel like the girls have been covering their bodies for so much of the year that when they show, I mean, the girl's like wearing a shirt to here, and like, it's not very provocative at all. But the guys cannot stop looking at her, and I really love that. I wasn't saying it for myself, but I was looking at other people and hoping that there was some guy that was checking out my butt. Girl, for that matter, should be girl. It feels good. Okay, here we go.
Okay, Steve.